I want to talk to you guys today a little bit about the personal pocket coaching and what it means to me to be able to teach from this perspective. Darren and I have talked for years about doing this. We talked for years about how we like to teach and our beliefs. And we both have the same perspective in mind. And that is that we only have one product. We only have one product. That's the student. That's you. And you guys come to us. You guys are asking us to teach you how to write programs, how to code. And we talk about this all the time in the colleges. I say, look, we only have one product. It was the same conversation. And I'll be darned if I'm going to go in there and I'm going to teach somebody how to read a book. You know, when you guys are asking me to teach you how to write programs, I'm not going to teach you how to read a book. I'm not going to teach you how to take a test. I'm not going to teach you how to recite formulas. I'm going to teach you how to think for yourself within the fundamentals and the reasons why you're putting things where you're putting them at and how to program in a fundamental way. At the end of the day, the goal is for you to be able to get a job programming next to me and Darren. And if you guys can do that, then our job was complete. Our goal was reached. And I want to just say that this personal pocket coaching is that avenue for us to be able to do that. This is an empowering program. It's an empowering offer. And I said all that to say, prepare to be empowered, because every day you're going to get a video in your mailbox. Every day you're going to have something a video talking about Power Apps at some level. Sometimes we're going to be talking about beginners topics. Sometimes we're going to be talking about advanced topics. Sometimes we're going to be talking about something in between those things. Sometimes we're going to be talking about theories. Sometimes we're going to be talking about fundamentals. And sometimes we're going to talk about some really cool tricks that we've picked up. And I do believe that Power Apps is at the beginning of its journey. It is not a mature platform yet, but it's coming. And I believe that we're on the front end of this. While Power Apps is still in its infancy, if not maybe toddler stage, we are learning how to program in that. And as it's changing, we're changing. And by the time it's a mature platform, then we're going to be ready. We're going to be ahead of the curve. And so I want to encourage you guys to get on board with this personal pocket coaching. We're going to be talking about philosophies and theories. You guys have seen Darren and I talk many times about the real world way of doing things. There's a difference between theories and the real world. And we like to bring that difference to you. We like to show you guys what we do in the real world, what to expect. Sometimes we'll be talking about platforms like SQL Server. Sometimes we'll be talking about SharePoint, Dataverse, all the different data sources and how we have to navigate through those. Every one of them's got their little differences. So I guess I just wanted to say all that to say, I look forward to teaching you guys and working with you guys and sending little videos, little bite-sized videos to your mailbox every morning. And if you need a topic, if there's something out there you can't find and you need some help with it, maybe we can do a video for you too in it. So requests are welcome.